Hello everyone, welcome to the math class of grade 8, chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Learning objective: define linear equations, solve linear equations in one variable. Activity done by the students. Prior knowledge: these things you might have learned already in the previous class. Let's revise it once again. What is the difference between algebraic expression and algebraic equation? 5x minus 3. This is an expression. Algebraic expression. 5 is the coefficient, x is the variable, 3 is a constant. You may ask, 5 and 3 both are numbers. Then why 5 is known as coefficient whereas 3 is known as constant? The reason is with 5 there is a variable attached, 5x. When you have variable attached with the number, then the following number will be known as the coefficient. And the other with no variable attached, it is known as constant. This is algebraic expression. When you have equal to symbol and equate the expressions, 5x plus 7 is an expression, root 2 is an expression. When you equate it, you get algebraic equations. Here the terms are 5x, 7, root 2. Student activity: be ready to answer the questions. Solve x minus 2 is equal to 7. Find the value of x. What is the value of x here? It is 7 plus 2. X is equal to 9. When you have minus on the left hand side, that is LHS, when it moves to the RHS, it becomes plus. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Now solve y plus 3 is equal to 10. What is the value of y here? Y is equal to 7. When you have plus on the LHS, when it moves to the RHS, from here to here, the plus symbol, it will become minus symbol. So 10 minus 3, plus 3 will become minus 3. What is 10 minus 3? 7. That is the reason y is equal to 7. Now let's solve 6x is equal to 12. What is the value of x here? X is equal to, yes, 2. 12 by 6. 6 2s are 12. When you have multiplication on the LHS, it becomes division. Here 6 into x multiplication, when it goes to right hand side, it becomes 12 by 6, which is nothing but 2. Solve t by 5 is equal to 10. What is the value of t? T is equal to 50, because when you have division on the LHS, it becomes multiplication when it goes to the right hand side. So t is equal to 10 into 5, 50. From this you can understand the logic. When you have plus on the LHS left hand side, it becomes minus on the RHS. If it is minus, plus. If it is multiplication, it changes to division on the RHS. And if it is division, it changes to multiplication. If you remember this 4 logic, then it is easy for you to solve any linear equations with any number of variable. Plus, minus, minus, plus, multiplication, division, division, multiplication. Let's start with the introduction part, linear equations in one variable. So what is the definition of linear equation in one variable? It is an equation which can be written in the form ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are real number constants and a is not equal to 0. Let me repeat it once again. Linear equation in one variable is an equation which can be written in the form ax plus b. Okay, ax plus b equal to 0, where a and b are real number constants, x is a variable and a is not equal to 0. Difference between linear expressions and not linear expressions. The highest power of the variable 2x, 2x plus 1, 3y minus 7. It is 1. Now check these variables, x square plus 1, y plus y square. The highest power of variable is greater than 1. This is the reason and the main difference between linear expressions and not linear expressions. Only when the highest power of the variable is 1, you can say such equation as linear expressions. In other case, it is not linear expression. Solve linear equations with variable on one side. Example 1. Solve 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Minus 3, when it goes to RHS, it becomes plus 3. What is 7 plus 3? 10. 2x is equal to 10. This is in multiplication. When multiplication, it goes to the RHS, it becomes division. So, x is equal to 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So, the value of x is 5. Example 2. Solve 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. Plus 9. Let's take this number plus 9 to the RHS. Plus 9, when it goes to the RHS, it becomes minus 9. What is 4 minus 9? It is minus 5. 2y is equal to minus 5. What is the value of y? Just take this 2 here. So, it is y is equal to minus 5 by 2. Example 3. Solve x by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. X by 3, let's keep this on the LHS and take plus 5 by 2 on the RHS. Plus 5 by 2 will become minus 5 by 2. Check the denominator. They are same. So, what is minus 3? Minus 5? It is minus 8. So, minus 8 by 2. We need the value of x. This is in division. If it goes to RHS, it becomes multiplication. What is 8 into 3? 24. X is equal to minus 24 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. X is equal to minus 12. Example 4. Solve 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. Let's take this 15 by 4 to RHS. Plus 15 by 4 will become minus 15 by 4. 9 minus 15 by 4 is 21 by 4. Find the value of x. Minus x is equal to 21 by 4. If the 7 multiplication, it is in multiplication. If it goes to RHS, it becomes division. 21 by 4 into 1 by 7. 7 3s are 21. Minus x is equal to 3 by 4. What is x? X is equal to minus 3 by 4. Summary map. Definition of linear equation. What is the definition? Linear equation in one variable can be written in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are real number constants and a is not equal to 0. Solve linear equations in one variable and activity. These are the assignment questions which you can try it out. That's all for the today's class. Thank you.